Hey guys, and welcome back to another video here with Angel B Designs. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. What we're gonna do today is we are going to try out some sublimation shot glasses. I did get these from Etsy, and I will link the Etsy shop down below. I think you can also get them on Amazon. I'm not for sure though. As far as the white ones, these are the white ones. They're not frosted or anything like that. They are solid white. So we're going to be doing these ones today and see how they sub. Like I said, I will link the Etsy shop down below where I purchased these from. But yeah, this is what we're doing today. So go ahead and stick around. All right, guys, so we are going to go ahead and start out in Cricut Design Space, and I'm going to show you how I use the template to create my image. So this is a template that I have here. I did get it from Etsy. I didn't make it. I just purchased it. I searched shot glass template, and this is what came up. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I uploaded this into Cricut Design Space. I'm going to go ahead and upload these as well. I did just make these in Canva myself, kind of quickly threw them together with some text and like a little starburst. That was it. I just made them in Canva. But I want one. So this bride one is going to, the cup is going to stay white, right? When you think of a bride, you think of the color white. So this shot glass is going to be white. So I'm not going to do anything with this other than make it the size I need it to be. But then this one, I want the background of the whole shot glass to be like a bright pink. Okay, so to do that, I'm going to go to shapes. I'm going to get a square. I need to change the color of this square. I have a specific color I'm thinking about. And this is it right here, which is FEC 5E5. So FEC 5E5. This is the color pink that I want. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and make this. We're going to send to back. Then we're just going to go ahead and select both of these and slice. Okay, so now we have the template that is going to be pink. Okay, now I'm going to take this and we're going to do print and cut, turn it into a print and cut. So this is our template. And this is the color that it's going to be. I'm just going to make that a little bit bigger. Then I'm going to take the bride tribe. We're going to send that to the back. And I'm just going to line it up in the middle. Okay. Then we're going to select this. We're going to group and attach. And then the measurements for my shot glass, I don't remember, so I'm about to measure it again so I can show you guys. I did end up doing 3 inches for height. Let me unlock that. And then if you don't automatically know the measurement, I would suggest measuring the top part of the shot glass because, you know, it tapers in. Measure the top part because it's going to automatically adjust the bottom part to where you need it. And the top part is, I'm going to do 6.4. Okay, so that's the size I'm going to need. Now, I'm going to duplicate the size for this size, which it is, and to figure it out, we're just going to click on that. It's 3.011. 3.011. And then we're going to unlock it and see what the height is. It's 1.91. 1.91. So now these should be the same size so that they match. Okay, and then I am doing 2 of these, so we're going to go ahead and duplicate. So now I have a set of 3 glasses, 1 bride, 2 bride tribe. Okay, then we're going to go over to make it. I do have my settings already set for my printer because this is sublimation to go ahead and print for me in the mirror aspects. You want to make sure that you turn the bleed off. Okay, look at the word bride. When it's on, it looks like a nice bold, like it's going to come out bold, but you definitely want to turn the bleed off. I did originally print this with the bleed on and it was too bolded. You couldn't see it. It just looked a mess. So make sure you turn your bleed off. I'm going to print my EcoTape 8500, which is my sublimation printer. Like I said, if you don't have your settings set for your printer to automatically mirror, then you do need to come over here and mirror this image. Okay, like that. Like that. There you go. But my printer is already set. The settings for my sublimation printer are already set for it to automatically mirror, so I don't need to do that. But if you don't have those settings set, please make sure you mirror. Your images do have to be mirrored. I'm going to go ahead and get this printed off, and I am going to meet you guys over at my Mac. All right, guys, so we are going to go ahead and tape up our sublimation shot glass here. I do have my template all printed out, and you do want to make sure that you are doing this as tight as you possibly can, because you want to make sure you create that pressure. I am going to go ahead and go along the seams with some heat tape, and I will link all of my supplies down below for you guys. And then if you've been following me, you do know that I like the painter's tape method. This is the Scotch-Brite painter's tape brand. I will try to remember to link this down below as well. I know a lot of people have been asking me because they tried the painter's tape from Dollar Tree. I do not recommend the painter's tape for Dollar Tree. If you're gonna put it in a convection oven, do not put the Dollar Tree painter's tape in the convection oven. It leaves a sticky residue, a mess. I've heard people say it catches on fire or it burns. I would just not suggest using it because it is on the cheaper side. But I will try to link this down below for you guys. I believe you can purchase it on Amazon as well. And then for the second shot glass, which is only going to be the word bride with no paint color, I'm just going to basically do the same thing. Make sure it's nice and taped down, and then I'm going to put 2 pieces of painter's tape on the top and the bottom of it. Convection oven at 400 degrees for 8 seconds. All right, so I'm back and I do have them out the oven, and I'm just going to take the tape off. We're going to see what happened. I did already do one for TikTok, and I'm going to show you all 3 because I have I made a little bridal kind of set type thing. I'll show you all 3 once I get this tape off. But it came out really, really cute. So this one had a little bit of light. I don't even know if the camera is going to pick it up. Right, you see, like right there, it's like one little blurry spot right there. It looks like the pressure was just a little off right there, but other than that, that looks really cute. It says bride. And then let's see this one. This one, I don't know why, but it was like this cup was giving me a problem. So I'm hoping it ended up turning out right, because it just, I don't know. It was acting weird. So let's see. I can't never get this painter's tape off with these knitting with my nails. There we go. No, so it got ghosting on it. I don't know if y'all can see, because I took it out and I knew it wasn't right, and I tried to line it back up and put it back, and then it must not have lined up all the way. So this one came out kind of boo-boo, but that's all right. There, you know, y'all know I don't sell my crafts anyway, so I'm not really tripping. This is how the one I did for my TikTok came out. This one came out really, really cute. Okay, so, you know, here's the little set. Let me see if I can zoom in so y'all can see the set together. But yeah, you see how this one got some ghosting on it. That was me. That wasn't the cup or the designer, nothing. That was me. But this one came out really cute. But yep, this is how they came out. Super, super cute. I do like them. I should have got some more. I only bought these 3. But that is all I have for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Join my Facebook group. All those will be linked down below. Any questions, comments, concerns, drop them down below as well. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.